Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I am your news host Parvati Nirban and let's get into the world of crypto with English News Bulletin. Let's have a look at the headlines first. Cryptocurrencies rebound on Fed's policy move clarity, Bitcoin about $22,000. Investment Behemoth Fidelity says Bitcoin is now technically oversold. Tether sees fresh wave of redemption amid fears of market contagion. A US regulator wants to hire fired crypto employees to expand oversight. Celsius appoints Citigroup for advertisement after withdrawal freeze. DOGE founder hints at real estate crash after recent stocks, crypto Rout. ECB may limit digital euro to 1.5 trillion euros, says ECB 8. Heuer launches smartwatch feature that supports displaying NFTs. Cryptocurrency snapped its losing streak in tandem with US stocks as the Federal Reserve policy moves Wednesday aided investors with more clarity on future trajectory of rate hikes, ending some of the looming macroeconomic uncertainty. US stock rose with the tech-heavy Nasdaq index rising 2.5%, while the S&P 500, which hit bear market territory on Tuesday, gained 1.4% to break a 5-day losing streak. Gold, a traditional safe haven that had dropped in previous days, increased 1.2%. The Fed raised its key interest rate by 75 basis points, the largest interest rate increase since 1994, and signaled it would continue lifting rates this year at the most rapid pace in decades, and it races to slow the economy and combat inflation that is running at 40-year high. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said that the last week's inflation surprise warranted strong action at this meeting rather than waiting another 6 weeks for the next gathering. He warned that either a 50 basis points or a 75 basis points increase seems most likely at our next meeting. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at around $22,800, up over 4% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,200, up nearly 4% in similar time span. Other major altcoins too traded higher. However, despite the bounce back in cryptocurrencies, investors remain circumspect on the future of digital assets as they evaluated the fallout from Celsius and collapse last month of the Terra USD stablecoin and Luna token that supported it. Investment management giant Fidelity believes that Bitcoin may be in an oversold position at $20,000 level. According to Urian Timmer, the director of Global Macro Fidelity, the Bitcoin dormancy flow chart shows that the digital currency has returned to the levels last seen in 2011, and if Bitcoin's price or network ratio is considered as a simple PE indicator, then the current levels were last seen in 2017 and 2013. Timmer's comments were before the latest rally in Bitcoin following Federal Reserve's rate hike move. The latest crypto market rout has led to heightened anxiety among investors, with indications that some of the anxiety is hitting Tether, the issuer of the most popular stablecoin. Investors pulled out about $1.6 billion in 48 hours from Tether's dollar-pegged USDT stablecoin, reducing its circulating supply to $70.8 billion, the lowest since October 2021, according to reports. Though Tether's USDT has a different financial structure from the Terra blockchain's algorithmic stablecoin, the USDT has long suffered from investor doubts about the asset backing it and whether redemptions would be honored in a full-blown crisis. Analysts say that the confidence in cryptos continue to remain depressed, and some traders are worried that the Tether could suffer a similar fate as Terra's USD stablecoin. In May, Tether lost $10 billion in market capitalization in the wake of the Terra's ecosystem implosion. The United States Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, or Finra, is apparently planning to bulk up its capabilities to monitor crypto, which might involve hiring employees recently fired from crypto firms. Major crypto exchanges in the United States, including Coinbase and Gemini, have announced plans to cut staff amid extreme market volatility, likely resulting in the loss of thousands of jobs. Finra President and CEO Robert Cook encouraged crypto workers who expect to be on the chopping block to reach out to the financial regulator as part of its efforts to increase resources related to the space. Finra is apparently exploring digital asset verification techniques as well as cross-market surveillance on sub-blockchains. Celsius has appointed banking giant Citigroup to advise on possible solutions after the troubled crypto lender paused customer withdrawals due to significant market volatility. Celsius on Sunday abruptly banned withdrawals, swaps, and transfers between accounts, freezing funds of its customers. According to the report, Citigroup is counseling Celsius on prospective financing possibilities. The investment bank is also advising Celsius on offers such as one from rival Nexo. Earlier this week, Nexo made an offer to Celsius to acquire its remaining qualifying assets of Celsius, mainly their collateralized loan portfolio. The bank also advised Celsius on its mining subsidiary business and initial public offering plans. DogeCoin co-founder Billy Markus has suggested that real estate may be the next thing to collapse after stock and crypto markets. He posted a meme with death opening doors in turn and leaving pools of blood behind each of them. Tesla CEO and the world's richest man Elon Musk replied to the tweet by writing, "True." Fabio Panetta, an European Central Bank executive board member, has expressed optimism that a central bank digital currency will be ready for launch within 4 years. Panetta told the committee that if a digital euro is created, it will be limited to 1.5 trillion euros. A concern with CBDCs is that consumers might keep all their money in the digital format, in effect depositing their entire savings with the central bank and starving consumer banks of the funds they require to lend to individuals and businesses. In a statement, Panetta said that keeping total digital euro assets between 1 trillion and 1.5 trillion euros would avoid negative effects for the financial system and monetary policy. Swiss luxury watchmaker Tag Heuer has hopped on the NFT bandwagon by developing a smart watch function that allows users to display their NFT collections. According to Tag Heuer's announcement on June 15th, the connected Calibri E4 becomes more than a smartwatch with its new capability. It becomes an NFT viewer for clients to demonstrate their digital asset collection with certified evidence of ownership. The new capability allows several NFTs to be transferred to the new lens watch face through a linked smartphone. 3 different methods a watch face can display time. Users selected NFTs artworks at the same time. The watch can securely link to numerous crypto wallets such as MetaMask or Ledger Live, and users can choose which NFTs they want to show on their watch. Images can be scaled to fit on a computer screen too. That's all for today's news. For daily news and updates of crypto world, don't forget to watch English News Bulletin twice a day only on Crypto TV. I'm your news host Parvati Nirban signing off for now. See you tomorrow same time and have a wonderful day. Ta-da!